guess what? Another day, another cafe. Hey! This man was like, we're going kayaking, so he's like, oh, we don't need our hat or glasses. We're on the water, it's more reflective, and it's hot as fuck. This cappuccino, it's like a 2 out of 10. But I ain't wasting the euros because it's expensive out here. More stairs, of course. We stay fit. Oh my god, I'm gonna jump off of that. Also, my bracelet's really bugging me because it keeps getting stuck to my arm hair. Babe, do your dancey dance. That was a half-ass dancey dance. Guys, this is so fucking cool. But the waves do be a little wavy today.
Ocean's nuts today. Fun. This is fun. You go first, and then if I feel up to it, I'll go. We don't even have to go inside, bro.
Yo, girls are fucking awesome. Like, I only see girls right now in the water.
Killed it.
Why?
I miss so better.
How? All that shit here.
This place is wow. We just did a sunset swim. I didn't record it because I wanted to be in the present moment. Edward's gone to go get some food, so I'll show you guys what we got, and it's gonna hit the spot.
It's a little hot.
I got. Lots of lobs. We just spotted like a really big spider. I don't know what I filmed so far, but I'm gonna give a very quick update. Yesterday, I didn't film at all. We were just on a boat for 4 hours. I was just like napping, reading, and meditating and just doing my whole spiel. We didn't have much content, and at night we just went out. Every city has a nightlife, so there's nothing really new to see.
Yeah, the nightlife here was better.
I feel like the nightlife in Europe is anyways like a crazy party. Now we're officially halfway through traveling. So how are you feeling?
Tiring moving a lot because we're sleeping 2 nights for the next like while, but then after Croatia we're sleeping like 3 nights in each place, so that'll be better. And then we'll get to Paris, where in France we'll be there for like 10 nights and we're gonna stay only in 2 places. That'll be nice and relaxing, I guess. But I'm not like, I don't know, I guess this morning I was like, fuck, I kind of wish I was at home because the stupid bed we have, I swear to God, is like tilted upwards at your legs. So my legs can fall asleep at night. I have to like wake up and like let blood flow to my legs and sleep again.
My editing is like piling up, guys. Like, we've been to 2 countries, and by the time you're watching this, I'll have probably uploaded 3 other videos. Positano is like 80, and I feel like in Croatia it's probably just as much, so we're just lounging it out under a tree, and there's probably a bunch of ants and like spiders, but that's fine. We went paddleboarding, didn't film any of that. We were fucking around the whole time, jumping on, jumping off, tanning, pushing each other off, blah, blah, blah. Great time. We're watching the beautiful sunset.
Going to you.
It's insane.
It's not zooming in. It's not zooming in.
But sweat's dripping. The worst thing that could ever happen to a aspiring YouTuber has happened to me. I'm on this trip, right? You guys been seeing it. Boom! Fucking laptop completely breaks. The screen is broken. I was in the middle of editing a vlog that I don't even know if it's gonna be up yet. It just turned black. So our plan, wake up at the ass crack of dawn tomorrow, 37-minute drive to the tech shop because the tech shop is all the way near a city and we are not in a city right now. On my laptop, I'm actually so sad. I would have posted a video today and now I can't, and it's just like very disheartening. My laptop's working. Housewife duties done. What the fuck happened last night? First of all, computer, yeah, horrible, whatever, but it started working in the morning miraculously. Cool. Bugs. We didn't know our window was open, like the slightest bit, and it was nighttime, and you know how bugs come towards light? And guess what happened? Slowly, it started inching its way up. I was like, Adbut, there's like 2 moths in the room and they were not there before. Like, I'm not crazy, right? And he was like, oh, it's fine, it's not that big of a deal. Listen, this one. Then it started turning into like 4. Someone just closed the door. Am I that loud? I swear I'm trying not to be loud. Then it turned into 4 moths. We noticed that the window was open. By then, there was at least 10 bugs in our room. We were like, holy fudge. I still managed to sleep like a baby because I usually sleep with like under the covers, like even my head, because Adbut has the AC blasted. I woke up in the morning and Adbut's like he barely slept properly because he kept feeling bugs all over him even though there's nothing there. I told him, it's all in your head. But no, I actually do feel bad for him because he's driving all day. Maybe the lighting, oh my god, I should have put you guys here. Anyways, okay? I don't know, but yo, look, this dog is chilling. Do you guys see the little waterfalls? Like, not little, they're huge. But that is where we are going. Yeah, it's a national park in Croatia and it's beautiful. The mist from the waterfall is hitting us and it feels so good. Me and Adbut are just looking for a spot to sit and meditate. That was the most magical, majestical, beautiful, heart-throbbing, exciting, did I mention magical? Thing I've ever seen in my entire life.